Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today we are exploring GitHub Copilot Pro features inside Visual Studio Code. If you are using VSCode as your main editor, this is going to be a game changer for your coding workflow. Let's dive right into it. GitHub Copilot is an advanced version of the GitHub Copilot. While the free and basic version already helps, with AI-powered code suggestions, and the Pro plan unlocks smarter features like natural language explanations, text generations, and personalized coding assistant right inside Studio in it. You can see it on the right side of your navbar, and you can see the agent mode, ask and edit mode. And there is some compatible models, configure models, and you will can see the all models here. You can get the premium models on this head. You can see I have activated the premium GitHub Copilot. So I have got the all of the models that just start typing and GitHub Copilot Pro suggests full functions, boilerplate codes, and even enter classes. For example, if you type something, Copilot Pro can instantly generate the full implementation, the steps of it, one of the time of the repeated tasks. One of the coolest feature is GitHub Copilot Chat. You can open chat panel in the VS Code, ask question in the plain English and get the right away. You can ask things, explain this piece of the code, optimize this function, like having ChatGPT directly integrated in your editor. Stuck on complex code, just highlight it and ask Copilot to explain. It gives clear step by step build something to understand and happening without leaving your editor. Okay, let's go to our editor and let's go to our text editor and make something with this file. We will use okay, let's use Claude Sonnet 4. We will tell him to create and contact form. I will I will prompt him create a modern contact form, and he started working. It may take a few seconds to complete your query. It already started working. He will also give you the correct data of this. Okay, this contact form is building by Copilot. Let's make him more modern. He added also a script.js, and I think he added, okay, you can see he added form awesome. Let's go our side panel. You can see the style CSS has been created by the AI for design implementation. And after this completion, we will check out this. Okay, he will give a large of large prompt that he have created. Okay, we need to be just click on the keep and it will be accepted the code, and we can run it now by clicking on the go run live server. You can check out this extension videos on our previous form, and you can see he created a beautiful contact form in few seconds, and that is awesome. There is also validation he added. Unlike basic Copilot, Pro can understand your project across multiple files. So if you are working on the large code base, it generates context-aware suggestions that match your entire project structure. Need comment or block strings? GitHub Copilot Pro can instantly edit documentation for function APIs and classes. That means you can spend the time with docs and more coding. Let's ask him make a documentation. Just wait a few seconds. He will start creating a documentation, and need comment or doc strings. GitHub Copilot can instantly edit documentation for function APIs and classes. That means you spend less time writing docs and more coding. Let's quick see in the action. I will tell him to create a documentation, and he started created about this project I saw you. You can see readme.md file has been created, and he added the documentation text on this file. GitHub Copilot Pro inside VS Code is not just autocomplete. It's like having an AI coding partner who explain, generate, and optimize your codes. If you want to boost your productivity, learn faster, then this is absolutely worth trying. You can see your package uses GitHub Copilot, GitHub completion, GitHub messages, premium request, and allowance. You can see everything is here. And he created a readme file and a setup file for our contact form. He created a few seconds ago. And he also created a API, he api.md for hit the request for this prompt testing. He added a JSON format. He added success response and error response too. And there is Node.js and Node.js plus Express.js backend examples on the footer for you if you want to make this contact form workable. That's it for today. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for the more tutorials from the Tech Stack Hub. Have to tried? Have you tried GitHub Copilot Pro yet? Let me know your experience in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.